Hi everyone. A burn-down chart is a visual representation showing the exact amount of work left to complete in a sprint over time. If you want to keep your team on pace, here is how to build one in 4 specific steps. Step 1. Build your dashboard foundation. Start by navigating to the Dashboards icon on your sidebar and click New Dashboard. Choose the simple dashboard layout and pick a specific space, such as Team or Personal, to act as your data source. Click Create Dashboard to open your blank workspace. Step 2. Locate the Burndown widget. On the top right of your new dashboard, hit the Add Card button. In the search bar of the widget library, type Burndown and select the Burndown widget from the results. This widget is designed specifically for sprint tracking and trend analysis. Step 3. Precise configuration. Now, let's configure the settings for accuracy. Space selection. Ensure the space selected here matches the one you used for the dashboard foundation. Time period. Set your sprint window. You can choose this week, bi-weekly, or a custom date range. Display style. Choose between a bar or line chart depending on how you want to visualize the work remaining. Step 4. Customization and launch. Press Add Card to place the chart on your dashboard. To get the most insight, toggle the view settings to show the ideal trend line. This gives you a benchmark to see if your team is ahead or behind schedule. You can then drag the card to any quadrant to organize your layout. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.